Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can import links from Instagram to Threads. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Thread application. Click on that. Click on profile picture in the right bottom corner. Then you simply need to click on edit profile. And here you can see different options. You simply need to click on link. And in the bottom you can see import link from Instagram. You simply need to click on that and click on OK, and your all links will be imported from Instagram, and click on tick mark on the top right. So now you can see that my link is imported. Then you simply need to click on done. So this is the complete process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.